gang, this is Carlisle Wine. Hey, as much as I think I know about installing the TorqHead system, if you remember with the Corvette, the 94 Corvette, I found out that you actually need to get Corvette specific PCM because Paul DeBoer at TorqHead has electronics in the holder which allows it to communicate with the Corvette body module, and then you'll get dash and gauges. There's also, well, anyway, I learned my lesson there. So I have the computer. Check this out. It also comes with a mount. This is all from TorqHead. So it's mounted firmly here, and the mount has electronics in it. Okay, so, but there are a couple other things. The instructions are at TorqHead, but I just wrote them down on the sticky. The tachometer is pin red 13, so I got to find the tach wire and red 13 and terminate it. Then we'll have tach. And I always thought Corvettes all had 3-wire water pump temperature sensors, but just in case this doesn't, this is from TorqHead also. This comes with the Corvette kit. And that, the green is an additional wire, and that'll go into red 8. The same, if this is red, whatever, one of these. And so, water pump. The tach wire is over here somewhere. So once I terminate those and get that all plugged in, I will road test, and hopefully this thing will be, well, I haven't done any data logging with this, but the computer now can communicate with, my HP tuners can communicate with this now. So I can do HP tuners data logging, and I'll be able to get this fine-tuned and be finished. All right, this is Carlisle Wine, L1 Engines. Take care. Okay, then I have RPM, the wire here for RPM that previously it went to a MSD. And so this needs to get run over to that PCM. What was it, red 13? I can't remember. But anyway, then I'll have dash RPM. So look, that is from the water pump, and it is 2-wire, obviously. So I'll be working on that. Getting a little wet because I'm full of water in this thing. I'd actually not really first start. But after getting the proper TorqHead PCM. I need to adjust the throttle. So check this out, RPM, oil pressure, what are we doing for no check engine lights. wheel trim. Not too bad. Taking away fuel on the left. That's AFR, that's wideband, sorry, that's wideband. There's short-term fuel temps, taking fuel away. And no check engine lights. All right, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll go road test after I fix this. I'll go turn it. You got it? So the average, let's see, 467.5. Let's see the average. 466.6, so same average.
Yeah, pretty much.
It was exact same, Zach.